Alright, so these are things you need to remember about probability. The formula of probability of any event is the number, number of required outcome over the total possible outcome here, total possible outcome. So we've already explained this in the other video. Another thing you need to remember is what sample space is and how to work on it. So a sample space is actually um, the elements of possible outcomes. So like for a die, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the possible outcome and these are the elements. So that's for sample space. Also, you need to remember that in probability, the probability that something will happen or must happen is actually equal to 1. The probability that it will not happen or impossible is actually 0. Now, you already know that probability of event is between 1 and 0. We explained that already. So now another thing you need to remember is the probability um, or the sum of all events, the sum of event probabilities is a sum of event probabilities in a sample space that will be equal to 1. Sum of all events probabilities in a sample space equal to 1. We've explained that. So this will mean that if you have a sample space of success and failure, probability of success plus the probability of failure is equal to 1. We've explained that. So in case you are looking for a solution for what is the probability of failure, now please understand the probability of failure is also the probability of something not happening. Okay, so this is the same thing as probability of failure. Now the probability of something not happening is actually equal to 1 minus the probability of success. Okay, so sometimes it is represented like this. So let me represent it. Sometimes it is represented like this. Let's say you have, this is called probability of success, that is probability of x plus probability of failure, which has a bar on top, equal to 1. Now this time probability of failure, which is x bar, is equal to 1 minus probability of success. So sometimes it's represented like this. Okay, so understand very well that this is for success, okay, and this is for failure. All right, so I think that's the point, but you understand this is derived from this equation. Okay, so that's basically almost all the points related with probability theory. We'll be looking at other things related to probability. I think in the next video we'll be looking at theoretical empirical probability. Then after that, maybe addition and multiplication rule. And I think after that we'll solve a lot of problems that you can see in examination on probability. But this we've just done now is the summary of probability theory that we've considered. It's just a basic summary. There are other standard things in probability, but this is just basic for now. So we'll see in the next video.